Me and my daughter Asha love playing Spot It. If you're not familiar, players race to find the matching symbol.
That one.
Ugh. The first person to get
that one and that one
takes the card. Pencil. Yes.
Well, I still got two.
The magic of this game is that there's always one matching symbol. No matter which two cards you pull, there will always be exactly one match. This all came about from a combinations mathematics problem. Someone got so excited about that, they made their own game. And I actually got so excited, I sat down for a couple of hours on a spreadsheet and worked out how to create my very own set of cards. And of course, they're mathematical, and I've called these Snappy Math. Snappy for being fast, and snap for finding a matching pair. But in this case, the matching pair doesn't have to look the same, it just has to be mathematically equivalent. So here you might see that this 2/4 is the same as 1/2, and if you rotate them that way, it might be easier to see. So we move to the next one, we can see another half there, that's pretty easy. Here I'm looking and seeing 6, 1, 2 and 3, or 3 and 3, and then 2, 2 and 2, or if you just slide that down, it becomes 6. And here I've baited people in, that looks like 2 lots of 5 to make 10, and that is 9 and 1, which you think makes 10, but because they're sharing a dot, there's only 9 there, so the rectangle is the match in that case. And so on and on you go. There'll be matching symbols. The dots might line up for subitizing. There's 2 squares. Parallelogram. 10 and 10. This time they aren't joined, so that is 10 and 10. It's another parallelogram. You can access Snappy Math in 3 different formats. As physical decks of cards, as a PDF you can use to print and laminate your own copies, or online. Now online, in addition to the shapes, subitizing and fractions version, you can get the multiplicative thinking version, which starts with fluency facts and moves students towards thinking in multiples. I'll show you that now. To play online, head to games.thinksquare.com.au and click on Snappy Math. If you're subscribed and logged in, you'll be able to access all content areas, levels, and you'll be able to play against a human opponent. If not, you'll be able to play against the beginner for free. I'll just show you here. So if we click beginner, it'll be an easy robot. It'll take a long time to answer. If we click the expert here, you'll see how quick it is. So you only get a small chance to respond. 33. Oh, I thought it was 11 times 3, so I messed that up. 30. And so you get to compete against different levels. These are basic multiplication facts, and now I'll show you some more complex multiplicative thinking. So one of the things kids can recognize is that 25 times 3 is the same as 3 times 25. Now this is an important recognition, and one that the multiplicative version helps facilitate. But there's some other things too, like this here, recognizing that 12 times 4 and 6 times 8 are the same thing. If you halve the 12 and double the 4, you'll get 6 times 8. You could also rewrite the 12 as 6 times 2. And if you write the whole sum out, then it becomes 6 times 2 times 4. And then if you put the 2 times 4 part together, you'll get 6 times 8, which is what's on the right-hand side. You don't even need to know the answer to a question like that to know that they're equivalent. You just need to be able to be flexible with number. And here again, recognizing that 9 is triple the 3 and 21 is triple the 7. So you can work out that they're the same even if you don't know the answer, 63. To download 2 free mini versions of Snappy Math, head to thinksquare.com.au/snappy. There you'll find links to purchase physical decks as well as PDFs to make your own. You can also subscribe to the online game suite for as little as $2 per student. Be snappy. These decks won't last. Enjoy the game.